Welcome folks, this is Wear and Tear, yet another YouTube outdoor and gear review channel. Today I want to show you my city of Linz, in particular bridge and high-rise development. Don't worry, I won't be talking all the time, just a few words to give you some context. Linz is the third largest city in Austria. It's a very modern city, there's a lot of exciting development going on. Now, Linz in the past, like in the 1970s or so, was said to be a very dirty, nasty city because we have heavy industry, like steel chemical plants, so the air was smelly. But, you know, with the advance of technology and with investing into environmental protection, the air got clean, the water got cleaner, and so we have a pretty clean and neat modern city in this day and age. And at the same time we still kept the industry, so this part of the character of the city did not get lost. Now I'll show you just the more modern aspects of the city, because I'm particularly interested in that. I know a lot of tourists that like the old town and so, but it's not so easy to fly with the drone in there. I'll do it one day. But for today I just focus on the bridge development, the new bridges that are under construction, and mostly the high-rises. What I like about Linz is that it is a medium-sized city, which gives you a lot of benefits without the downsides of urban life, but also that it is a very compact city. You have very good public transportation here. Everyone uses public transportation. It's not just for the lower income classes, people that can't afford a car, but everyone uses it because it is very convenient. Now the city has a very high density, high-rises add to that, so it's possible to run an efficient public transportation system. If a city is too much, or an urban area spreads out too much, if there's too much urban sprawl, then public transportation becomes a pretty impossible thing, at least in an efficient manner that covers everything or serves everyone. Now please enjoy my footage and leave a comment, like and subscribe if you like the comment. This is Wear and Tear, over and out.